Hello friends, we'll be teaching you how to create a letterhead in Word file with just few simple tips. Go on Microsoft Word, click enable editing, enable content over here. Okay, now the first basic step is to see the size. What size are you making? If you are selecting an bigger size A3, then it will be problem for others to print it. Okay, then go to page layout, select size. You have to basically the world's best format, the proper format is A4 size. Okay, then you have to see, you can see this gray line over here. It's basically a ruler. So what you have to do, your mouse cursor is over here. So this in this line. So you have to click on the above top, it's called header, and the bottom one is footer. Okay, means this will be get activated. So what you have to do is, so here you have to type. Okay, I'll just type my thing. A bold center is a simple sober format in which you can create lettered. Everyone gets confused in creating this. Okay, basically you have typed this. Now you have to type an address. I'll just type Mumbai, comma India, my mobile number 999, my email ID 123 at the rate gmail.com. See, now it's very simple. It's created. Now if suppose you need a line, you have to go to insert, shapes, and this is the line. Okay, just slowly select this, and you have to press shift key so that it goes straight. Okay, when you select this line and palette will be get open, you have to select and little bit thicker, and suppose it's black color, then you have to select color. Everything is simple in Word. You just need to understand simple topics. Now you have to click this line using control key and see it's getting it's duplicated. Okay, if you suppose you need to color this, color your name, then go to home and color whichever color you need. If you have some surprising color, then you can see over here. If you need a custom color, then you can go from over here. Okay, it's 5-minute design. Now suppose you need to edit in document, then click over down, means see this one is now activated. If suppose you need to set little bit upper, then you can set. Now if you want to activate this bottom one, means bottom part, medium part, then you have to click below it. See, now this one is locked, this one is locked. Okay, now here you can type anything you want and your letterhead is being created. Thank you.